Hi everybody and welcome to Kids Talk. Today I will be teaching you how to play snakes and ladders. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so let's start. First of all, the board can vary as the snakes and the ladders are in different positions. But the purpose of each snake and ladder are the same. I have this board, but you could have a different one. So this is a game from 2 to 4 players. So in this game, 4 players will play. And you can choose if you want 1 die per person or if you have 1 die that's passed around each player. But for this game, each player is gonna have their own separate die. So it starts when the first player is chosen. Here the order is first red, then blue, then yellow, and then green. So red rolls the dice and gets a 3. So he goes on 1, 2, 3. Then red's turn is over. Then it's time for blue. So blue rolls and blue gets a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And blue is on the bottom of the ladder. So then blue climbs the ladder like this and it's now on 14. You go till the end of the ladder. Then blue rolls again as he climbs up the ladder. So blue gets a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since blue got a 6, blue rolls again and gets a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then blue's turn is over and then it's time for yellow to roll. Yellow gets a 4 and also climbs up the ladder to 14. Then he rolls and gets a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the game continues. Now let's say what happens if yellow got 3 in this position. As you can see, the head of the snake or the fork of the snake is on 17. So he would slide down the snake back to 7. And this applies to each snake. Like this snake has its head and fork on 54. So anybody who lands on 54 would go back down to 34 and has to climb up all again. Here, the first player who reaches the number 100 is the winner. Here, green is left and green rolls and gets a 1. So green climbs up the ladder to 38. And then since he climbed up the ladder, he goes again. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now green is on top of the ladder, so he doesn't climb down. And if anybody is on the tail of the snake, then they don't climb up the snake. If you land on the fork of the snake, then you go to the tail. And if you are at the bottom of the ladder, then you go up, not vice versa. Well, as you can see, on my board, there's a ladder from 80 all the way to the finish line. So it could be that you go to 80 and then you win. But your board will vary. This is just an example. On my board, there are 2 big ladders and snakes. This one is on 87 that brings you back down to 24. And this one is starting on 28 and it ends on 84. Well, this is a very fun game, so let's review the rules. You can choose whether each player has their own die or if 1 die is passed around each player. Each player rolls the die and moves the number of spaces that they got. If they're on the bottom of the ladder, then they climb up the ladder to where it finishes and they take another chance. If they land on the fork of the snake, then they slide down the tail to where the tail finishes. If you land on the top of the ladder, then you don't go down, and if you land on the tail of the snake, then you don't go up. And the first player that reaches 100 is the winner. Well, I don't think I missed out on anything in Snakes and Ladders. Well, if you have any doubts, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Well, that was it for this video. Well, if you like this video, then as I always say, like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you know when our videos come. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
On the left is my most recent upload. In the middle is the subscribe button. You can tap on it and subscribe to my channel now. And on the right is a video that's best for you.